Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girl's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a club sandwich. I'm using turkey, ham, and bacon. I do go easy on the ham and the turkey just because I'm not one of those people that loves like a ton of meat in their sandwich. However, the beauty of this recipe, and really any recipe, is you can add as much or as little as you want to make it to your preference. This is kind of just like a roadmap, and it's really delicious. This is the perfect lunch or even dinner, really. It comes together super quickly. The only cooking is your bacon. So I will say the one thing that I will not compromise with this recipe is mayo. If you are a naysayer to mayo, without it the bread is just really dry, so I suggest either substituting it for something else or just putting some mayo in there. A little bit is not going to hurt you. So yeah, so let's get started.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you